You are going to love the 2017 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.